Get it over and done with.
It's been over and done with a long time ago.
Over and done with. Over and done with យើងប្រើឃ្លាមួយនេះនៅពេលដែលយើងចង់និយាយថាអ្វីមួយគឺត្រូវបានបញ្ចប់ទាំងស្រុងហើយយើងមិនចាំបាច់គិតពីវាទៀតនោះទេជាធម្មតាយើងប្រើឃ្លានេះដើម្បីនិយាយពីអ្វីមួយដែលយើងមិនចូលចិត្តឬរឿងមិនល្អដោយនិយាយថារឿងនោះត្រូវបានបញ្ចប់ហើយដូច្នេះយើងលែងត្រូវខ្វល់ពីវាទៀតហើយឧទាហរណ៍ Once this is all over and done with you can have a rest. Once this is all over and done with you can have a rest មានន័យថានៅពេលរឿងនេះត្រូវបានបញ្ចប់អ្នកអាចសម្រាកបានឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត That argument is over and done with so drop the subject. That argument is over and done with so drop the subject មានន័យថាការឆ្លោះប្រកែកគ្នានោះគឺត្រូវបានបញ្ចប់ហើយដូច្នេះឈប់និយាយពីវាទៀតទៅ
A promising career over and done with.
All in the past. Over and done with.
To think it's all over and done.
Now that is over and done with.
I mean, I'm just glad it's over and done with.
Is over and done with.
I feel like the whole thing's over and done with.
Nothing's over and done with.
Let's get this over and done with.
Anyway, it's over and done with.
When this is all over and done with.
Over and done with, you know?
Get it over and done with.
That's over and done with.
Look, it's all over and done with.
Over and done with.
I want it to be over and done with.
Let's just get it over and done with.